Some breakfasts are just fuel, others feel like a quiet ritual. This morning, I'm on Burma Road in Georgetown, Penang, here for a bowl of Hokkien Mee that has fed locals for over 60 years. This is Mu Tong Hokkien Mee. Mu Tong now operates inside the Shark food court. It's not flashy and there's no big sign outside. Just a large open-sided food court with a metal roof overhead, plastic tables below and industrial fans pushing warm air around. This is a place people come to eat, not to pose. By mid-morning, it's already busy. It's lively, slightly chaotic, and deeply familiar to locals. Mu Tong Hokkien Mee is a name that carries weight here. Before moving to the Shark, it spent decades at Sinhua Coffee Shop, right along this same stretch of Burma Road. Ordering is straightforward. You place your order at the stall, take a seat, and wait. You pay when the food arrives. I ordered the classic mixed noodles, yellow noodles with bihun, and I added a few extra ingredients. This is what Mu Tong is really known for. The broth is often called liquid gold. It's thick and opaque with a deep, savory aroma. Sweet, spicy, and deeply umami, with layers that linger. Some say it gets better later in the day when it turns darker and more concentrated. Even in the morning, this is a powerful bowl. For me, it leans a little sweet, but the depth is undeniable. Pork bones give the soup its body, while prawns bring natural sweetness. Everything about it feels old school, what locals call Kor Chabi Hokkien Mee. The mixed noodles are the right choice here. The yellow noodles bring bite while the bihun soaks up the broth. Together, they carry the soup well without disappearing into it. Bean sprouts add crunch and freshness, keeping the bowl balanced. The house-made chili paste deserves a bit of restraint. It's fragrant and nicely spicy, adding depth without overpowering the soup. Add a little, stir gently, and the flavors open up even more. The prawns today are modest in number, likely because it's a small bowl. They're traditional Penang-style swallow prawns, small, firm, and naturally sweet. I added egg, pork ribs, and small intestines to my bowl. The boiled egg is fully set, its surface stained red with prawn oil. The pork ribs are chunky and well flavored by the broth. They don't fall cleanly off the bone, but the taste is still satisfying. The small intestines are soft with a slight spring, adding an earthy depth to the soup. They're decent, though an earlier visit would likely yield fresher cuts. The fried shallots are store-bought, but they're crisp enough, adding a gentle onion aroma to the broth. Some diners complain about paying extra for add-ons. Others insist extra ingredients are essential to the experience. Both views are fair. What matters is that the core of the bowl still works. At around 7 ringgit for a basic bowl, Mu Tong remains excellent value. My loaded bowl comes to 13 ringgit and I have no regrets. Mu Tong Hokkien Mee isn't perfect, but it's honest. It hasn't chased trends and it hasn't polished itself for tourists. It tastes like mornings before smartphones when hawker stalls survive on consistency, not branding. Sometimes that's exactly how breakfast should be.